Imagine creating a complete professional website in just 10 minutes without touching a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you something that is honestly mind-blowing, an AI tool that builds a full website for you from scratch based entirely on a simple text prompt. Yes, you heard that right. One prompt, one complete website. If you're someone who wants to create websites faster, save time, or even launch a business without spending money on developers, this video is going to change the way you think. Before we start, let me tell you why this tool is so revolutionary. Today, building a website usually requires designing, coding, testing, and deployment. Even an experienced developer takes hours or sometimes days to make a properly structured website. But this AI tool compresses that entire workflow into a simple question and answer process. It writes the code, creates the pages, styles everything, connects the components, and gives you a production-ready website. So if you're a beginner, this tool is a blessing. And if you're a professional developer like me, this tool becomes an accelerator. It helps you build faster, experiment faster, and deliver faster. Before we jump into the demo, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We upload videos about web development, design, AI tools, productivity, and much more. So, if you want to stay ahead in this digital world, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Alright, let's begin. The first step is simple. Open your browser and go to Rocket.new. This is the homepage where the magic begins. The interface is clean, minimal, and extremely easy to use. Right at the center, you'll see a text box, the place where you write your prompt. Now, you don't need to write a long paragraph. Just describe what kind of website you want. For this example, I typed, build a restaurant website where I can show my menu on the homepage. That's it, one line. The AI instantly understands the structure, user experience, layout, and the type of content required for a restaurant website. Before generating the website, the tool asks you a few simple questions. What framework do you want? Next, React, etc. Do you want TypeScript? What pages do you want included? Any special features you need? Answer these based on your preference. For this demo, I selected Next, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and pages, home, menu, about, reservation, gallery, contact. After confirming, the AI starts generating the entire project for you. This is the most interesting part. You'll see the tool writing code, files automatically, components, pages, routes, API folders, styles, everything. In my case, the tool generated 52 files. And all of this happened in under 10 minutes. Just imagine. If you manually created a full multi-page website with Tailwind and Next.js, it would take hours to structure and style it. But here, AI handles everything on its own. Now let's explore the final website. The homepage looks modern and clean. A hero section, description, call to action buttons, everything is nicely aligned and responsive. The menu page comes with category filters, clean item cards, prices, and images. And yes, the filters work perfectly without any extra setup. About page, a neat section telling your brand story, chef profile, and images. Perfectly structured for any restaurant business. Reservations page, a fully functional reservation section where customers can book a table. This is huge because normally you need back-end work for this. Gallery page, the gallery is stunning. Photos open in a pop-up, and each image includes a like button and upload date. Looks premium. Contact page. The contact page includes a map section, contact form, address details, social icons, and more. Everything is designed with clean UI and modern animations. The tool builds websites that match current industry standards without any additional effort. You might be wondering, can you download this? Yes, you can export the complete project, but exporting requires a subscription of $25 a month. To be honest, for developers or business owners, this is not expensive because with this tool, you can easily create 6-7 websites in 1 month. But here's the best part. If you don't want to pay anything, you can still copy the entire code block by block and paste it into your own next.js project. So technically, you can use it 100% free if you're willing to manually move the code. The generated code follows next.js folder structure, TypeScript interfaces, Tailwind utility classes, clean component reusability, mobile responsive layout, SEO friendly structure. Even if you're learning, reading this code helps you understand how modern websites are structured. And the crazy part is this tool can do even more. You can ask it to add animations, change design themes, add a blog, add authentication, build dashboards, apply framer motion, create dark mode, add e-commerce features. You can literally scale the entire website with just prompts. So that's how you build a complete website in under 10 minutes using Rocket.new. AI is completely transforming the future of development, and tools like this give you a massive advantage. If you found this video helpful, hit like. If you want more videos on AI tools, designs, and web development, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.